This is the outfit of the day. Oh, what is it? OOTD. Nike sponsor me. I love it. Oh, so I didn't go to the gym today, and I'm not gonna go to the gym today because I'm going to make this my final cheat day. And I feel like I always say that, but like, no, for real. I made that video talking about I was going to like eat better and get right and stuff like that, and I haven't. Like, I have been eating less candy, but I've been eating so much junk food, like chips, popcorn, donuts. Like, because I haven't been like logging in my food and stuff like that, I haven't been seeing like how much fat I really was putting into my body and like how much sugar and all that. So that's why I'm gonna go back to using MyFitnessPal to just track everything that I'm eating. I have a new protein I'm excited about, ISO 100 dimetized peanut butter. I'm excited to try this out. I didn't really have much. It's like about to be 1 o'clock and I didn't even eat. I had some black coffee, and I have these crackers that I'm in love with, but it's like, that's not even a meal. I had these. So good. But today I'm gonna eat like everything or anything, whatever I can. Hopefully today is a bomb-ass cheat day. But I've been cheating for weeks, so. About to drink my dimetized protein. That's light, that's good. So that's the end of that. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe.